Darby Bybee.
Welcome back and good evening. All right, let's take a look at our 4-1 Live Doppler radar first. We're going to show you where we do have a tornado watch. This tornado watch right here in northern Arkansas, including cities like Searcy, Clinton, Russellville, and up to Harrison, Fayetteville, and Fort Smith, basically along and north of I-40 until 11 p.m. this evening, a tornado watch. Now, we're not super concerned with tornadoes this evening. The tornado watch is kind of a weak tornado watch, if you want to think of it that way. The environment isn't primed specifically for tornadoes. It's really primed for strong storms and especially damaging winds and large hail. An isolated tornado cannot be ruled out, but I do think most of the reports we'll be seeing this evening will be damaging winds and especially large hail. Take a look at our 4-1 Live Doppler radar. The movement with these storms, you can see basically off to the east and northeast. A closer inspection of this storm. We showed you this storm actually earlier in the newscast. We're taking another look at it because it is intensifying, and you can see it's certainly got some very high reflectivities in there, the reds, the purples, indicating very heavy rain, much needed rain, a little bit of lightning in there, and actually in the last minute, a lot of lightning showing up on our 4-1 Live Doppler radar, indicating that the storm may in fact be intensifying as it moves off to the east-northeast towards the area around Beadsville, just south of Newport here in Jackson County. Watch for damaging winds and some larger hail. Now, the severe thunderstorm warning on this storm in portions of, I believe, here we have Searcy County, so here we have Newton County. It's been taken down. We don't have a severe thunderstorm warning for this storm anymore, but it's still pretty intense and a lot of lightning in here. The blue lightning showing positive lightning. Positive lightning strikes are the stronger lightning strikes. So the storm's still pretty intense as it moves off to the east and southeast. We'll still be watching that one. And then this one here now in Madison County. We've had some reports of damaging winds with this storm in Washington County as it moved into Madison County. Tree limbs down, trees themselves being reported down there in Washington County. So some of these storms, especially this one right here in Madison County, do mean business. And here's what I'm talking about. Some of those damaging wind reports showing up there in Washington County. So that's what we're predominantly concerned with this evening, damaging winds, and we could see additional storm development a little bit later on this evening. Right now out there here in Little Rock, temperature of 93, saw a high temperature today of 95. Very warm out there, quite a bit different from yesterday and the day before that. Satellite radar composite showing these storms. They are forming south of a warm front, lots of warm, moist air to work with, and actually some mid-level energy behind this could mean we may be seeing additional storm development later on this evening. Take a look at our forecast track model showing these first storms moving through. Hopefully heavy rain for a lot of us, and I think a lot of us will see some heavy rain, hopefully without too much severe weather. And then maybe redevelopment behind this later on tonight, a damaging wind threat later on tonight, and then maybe further development as we get into our Monday afternoon and Monday evening along the cold front. We'll watch for that as well. Tonight, lows dropping to around 73 degrees, about a 50% chance of showers and storms here in Little Rock. I might even call it a 60 or 70% chance now that the storms have formed. Tomorrow, high temperatures right around 91 degrees again, so another warm day for us, another humid day, but then we start to cool off just a little bit. Take a look at our temperatures going into the, I think, upper 80s as we go through probably the next 3 or 4 days. Then we start to warm up Saturday and Sunday, but in the meantime, we'll be watching for additional severe weather development throughout the evening. Tornadoes possible, but mainly damaging winds and large hail.
Okay, we know you'll be keeping a close eye on it. Thank you, Darby. Really appreciate it. Till they come tonight, we go live to Fayetteville.